Today unboxing is on the new Tomica release for the month of April, and that's the Suzuki Katana in 1:32 scale, and also the pair of Toyota Corolla Touring in regular and first color release. The Katana is a late release. It was supposed to come out last month. Instead, the new Hitachi loading shovel is released together with the Tomica Premium. And now let's take a closer look at the Suzuki Katana in 1:32. It's the standard gold decal to celebrate 50th anniversary. Three package here. You have the rider, the stand, and also the Katana bike. First impression, this is an awesome casting. I'm not really a bike collector, but this is really awesome. It's a pretty heavy bike in gloss finish. Bike is able to maneuver, and we can see the Katana logo printed on the bike body. Quite a few components here. It comprises mainly of die cast, including ABS. The bike itself is able to roll perfectly, but it's a freestanding bike, hence it can't stand on its own. A sort of platform or bike stand is also included to hold the bike. You can see the arrow that indicate that the bike should face front. Very simple, just rest the bike on the stand. The rider comes in clear finish. I may repaint the rider when I'm free. The recessed area on the leg is to join together with the stand. Assembly is very simple. And the rider sits perfectly onto the Katana. Next, the Toyota Corolla Touring in regular release. Very nice paint job in high gloss finish. Very premium paint, very clean and very sleek. The proportion is also on point. What disappoints me is it doesn't have any opening rear. The rear can't be open with only painted rear lights. Also the Toyota logo. The evergreen button wheel set that comes with standard factory suspension. On the front, the details are pretty standard with painted headlights. Overall, a very clean and sleek casting with very premium paint. However, the casting doesn't come with any opening features, nor added details. Next, the Toyota Corolla Touring in first color release. Same specifications as the regular color. Both are made of the same mold. It's just a different color variation on the body. The white paint is also very premium as well. Comes in pearl finish in high gloss. No opening features. Same wheel set with the standard factory suspension. And both casting looks very compatible side by side. Overall, very awesome release. I really like the Suzuki Katana. I think it's worth the wait. Next feature is going to be the Tomica Premium Hardcore car. Also the Hitachi construction vehicle. More Tomica unboxing coming. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.